16?
Yep, we're gonna do the oil pressure control valve. Got an engine light on, we did an output diag on it. And the valve is not clicking.
The valve's not clicking?
1T30 holding it on.
And what does this thing do?
It's an oil pressure control valve.
Gotcha. Do they fail often?
The 1.4, it's been pretty common.
1.4, what year?
In 2019. All right, perfect.
And just give me the year, make, and model one more time.
2019 Jetta 1.4.
And what's it, just plug in with a little harness?
It's got holds it in by a T30 and then a little 2-wire harness plugs into it.
No, before my
Yeah, you're always
my
doing.
physical diet is more important than my monetary diet. So
I'm about to go save myself $10.
pineapple autoglass bottles, a bunch of pizza.
Hey, could you ever delete this part or no?
No, this is actually
Crucial?
very important.
Trying to find it. Where are you? Under this guy right there.
Top it off.
Oil's good. Anything else?
Now we gotta top it off about a half a quart.
$1 million secret of why it burns oil?
This is not a burner.
Oh, it's not a burner.
We just lost that much oil probably.
Oh, okay.
Spilled out of it. Oil's good. This is our fault, P164A. Erase the fault. Good to go.